The greatest time of year, and for anyone that knows us well, they will know that we love holidays. So in today's video, I want you guys to celebrate with us, and hopefully this will make you guys smile. So let's go. So this is our little Halloween walkway. So we built a trellis out of cattle panels.
We literally did this today.
And then just T-posts. And then just connected those together. And we've got 3 cattle panels. 1, 2, 3. And so for the holiday seasons, Halloween and Christmas, this will be a light show walkway that we will have at the farm. However, next year, 2022, we're gonna start our vegetable garden, our produce garden, right here at this very point.
On this very patch.
At this very patch.
This very patch.
These are gonna be our garden trellises, and so next year we're gonna have like squash hanging around the trellises, but for now, it is our little holiday walkway that certainly makes us smile. Plus, we'll bring the chickens through here. You've got the lamb in the background. We brought them up here just for this video so that they could experience this with us. So
Guys,
come along.
Tell them what this is.
All right, so then this right here is our pumpkin face.
Probably our most proud accomplishment.
So I will include a video insert here. At our previous home, we built a Halloween light show. The biggest thing we've ever achieved.
Ever.
Ever. And we brought along the pumpkin face with us. We are no longer able to set up the light show, but in the future,
this year,
we will outdo ourselves, I promise.
yes,
but
just wait.
wanted to bring this along with us, and the lamb are just this extra in the background. Very good extra.
They're props.
But yeah, that's about it, guys. This is a collection of all of our Halloween decorations that we've had throughout the years, and we wanted to bring them here to the farm. So we've got Halloween at the farm.
So it's Halloween at the farm, like a little fest.
But wait,
just for us.
we're gonna take it one step further.
Baby shark doo 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 doo, baby shark doo 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 doo, baby shark doo 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 doo. We're gonna get copyrighted. You look great, Dora. Dora this year is a shark.
So this is Dora, the Explora shark version.
Who do we have here?
This is Amelia Eggheart, and we did the mesh. We did the monster mesh. The monster mesh. All right, so this is Frank Eggstein dressed up as
Frankenstein. Where is she? Spooky. Spooky. Very good.
All right, so Megatron is dressed up as a pumpkin this year, very fitting. Megatron is our thickest and biggest girl here. She looks great, very well nourished.
our Our next chickie is Peggy, and Peggy is a joker.
Joke's on you,
Silly
Peggy.
Peggy.
Jokes.
Silly Peggy. Very good. Very good. And our next model is young Patty, and she's a race car.
She's a biker. We got a biker in the building. Where's your Harley? Patty, where's your Harley?
Yes, 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 yes.
She's a hard.
Arr.
Vroom, 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 vroom. Put our bike here.
Oh my God. Very cute. The cutest. You win first place.
Okay, so we want to know in the comments who had the best costume of the VIC crew. Alright, so that about wraps up today's YouTube video. Thanks for coming along and enjoying our Halloween decorations here at Angel Acres. Hopefully one day we can host a fall fest here at the farm. But until the next video, make sure you're behaving like an angel.
A spooky angel.
Spooky.